Hello everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. Do you want to flash your iPhone? Whether you're dealing with system errors, want to upgrade or downgrade iOS, or need to restore factory settings, follow my steps to easily solve your problems. Let's get started. Method 1. Using 3uTools. First, you need to download 3uTools from the official website to your computer. Once installed, open the application and connect your iPhone to the computer. Next, enter recovery mode. For iOS 27 users, you need to quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until you reach the recovery screen. At this point, choose to enter recovery mode and wait for a moment. 3uTools will recognize that your phone is in recovery mode. Before starting, make sure your iPhone is backed up to prevent data loss during flashing. Click Go to Flash to download the required firmware. Flashing may take some time, but once completed, your iPhone will restart and install a fresh iOS, fixing your software issues. Method 2. Using UltFone iOS System Repair. If you want to keep your personal data, this is a professional iOS repair tool that can fix over 150 iOS system issues and can also upgrade your iPhone system with one click. I've provided the download link in the description. First, download and install the UltFone iOS System Repair tool on your computer. Once installed, open the application and connect your iPhone. After the device is recognized, click Enter Recovery Mode on the homepage. This feature is very convenient and doesn't require manually entering recovery mode. Then click Start Repair, choose Standard Repair, and download the required firmware. Once the download is complete, click Start Repair. UltFone will automatically carry out the repair. Wait for the repair to finish and your phone will restart normally, returning to normal operation. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you next time.